Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Ginamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make peanut brittle. This is very easy to make. In Ghana we call this Nkate cake. It's crunchy and it's delicious. It's served as snacks as well. So let's get started. I added raw peanut or fresh peanuts to my baking tray. Make sure you spread it evenly, and then I baked this at 175 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, as you can tell from the video, it has baked. I went ahead and peel out the skin. Make sure you peel out all the skin from the peanuts. You do not need the skin in this recipe. So this is what you're looking for. After, I'll add it to my coffee grinder and grind until it forms like something like a breadcrumbs consistency. If you don't have a coffee grinder, you can use your blender to pause it for some minutes until you get to this consistency. You can also use your earthenware to grind it until you have this consistency. I kept it aside. In a different saucepan, I added in a cup of sugar. I used 2 cups of peanuts and a cup of sugar. I then added in grated nutmeg, which is totally optional, and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Stay close to it and stir it until the sugar has caramelized. Stay close to it. Keep stirring. This does not take time at all, and you do not want the sugar to get burnt as well. So please stay close to it. It's take a little bit of time to get melt, so please stay close to it and keep stirring until it has all melted. So as you can tell from the video, stage by stage it was getting melt little by little, and then when you get to this point, you can't find any lumps of sugar. Everything is well smooth. Add in the peanuts and keep stirring till well combined or well incorporated. And basically that's it. It's simple, easy, it's crunchy, crispy, and it's very delicious. Kids love this. Kids love this thing. So if you're making a party or even for as a snacks for your kids, trust me, they will love it. Stay close to it, keep stirring till everything has come together, and at this point you want to go ahead and lower your fire. Put it on the lowest point because the pan is still hot, so it will not get hard. After I transferred it onto my working surface and then covered it with a parchment paper and roll it out. So the thickness depends on how you want it, but then I went in around 4 to 5 millimeters. That was okay for me. So you want to work on it very fast. After rolling, go ahead and use a knife or a pizza cutter to make a long stripes and then cut it into your size, the size that you prefer or the size that you want. And basically that's it, guys. If you want to twist it, make sure you twist it whilst they are still warm. So when you're doing this, you want to be very fast doing this, and then twist it. You can make it any size or any shape of your choice. That I went in for the flat one and then the twist one at all as well. So if you want it to twist like this, make sure you do it whilst it's still warm, and then when it gets cold, you can do it like this, straight the flats like that. And that's it, guys. It's simple, easy, and it does not take no time at all. All you have to do is bake your peanuts or roast it in the pan. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you till then, bye.